Little dude's just in a squawk session. You know, Daddy loves you. You're a good bird. He's just a good bird. It's okay. He's my own silo girl. I'm in the girl. Come on, but you switching. There's a girl. See that little girl? Oh. You just scratch your ears? You just scratch your girl? Yes, your girl's be getting scratchy. Oh my. Ooh, that's my little girl. You make such little sounds, Daddy loves these. Oh, look at me, baby. Oh, this my little baby. Oh, this my baby. Look at that girl. Oh, she's so big little girl. Yes, she is. She's a little girl. She's a girl. I could just listen to this all day. Uh-oh, here comes your babies. Baby's going to defend Mama. Oh, is Daddy getting Mama? We're going to have to get... Are we going to have to defend Mama? Come here. Are we going to have to defend Mama? No, little baby. Still loves you, good girl.